Hey guys, Butter Chimok here. Today we're TU9 randomly came out. I would think it'd be April Fools if they were trying to trick us. I mean, like they didn't do anything. They told us on April the 1st that they were gonna be doing Stone Book. But they were gonna be making TU4 come out on here, and I guess not. I remember counting 12. I don't remember that being, but I decided to go and cheat for all this stuff, even that, because really I had it messed up, it glitched my world, the title update. So now we gotta stick to offline playing if I'm gonna play single player. So yeah, and since this is a different tutorial world, we're gonna call this season 4, episode 1. And yes, we're on hard though. So if you've been wondering if they've made the world yet, then no. Like if they've made other things yet. Oh, this can be activated with 12 Ender Eyes. So what happens if I throw that in there? Huh, let's do it. Okay guys, we are all set. And got our bed right there to sleep on. We're all diamond set, but I broke the bed, so I guess kind of screwed. See what's inside. Crap! Okay, getting used to this. To be honest, guys, this is the first time I have played on a computer, but this is the first time I've ever actually played. Oh my god. Whew. Okay. Okay, let's shoot that arrow. And no, too high. And let's go a lot faster, actually. Okay, that was definitely off. Let's screw it. Where is the Ender Dragon? Do you get the best world ever? I'm spawning in a world without an Ender Dragon? He already died and everything? Really? Is this the only noise we have? I still want to know what the Ender Acid does. Don't touch me. I don't like you. That regeneration thing is a lot better than the one on the computer, of course. This thing isn't attacking me. What the hell is this? Think like destroy all the things before you like do anything else, and I'm stare at you. You know that? Oh god. What was that? Oh. Trying to get this, we freaking suck. My god. Can I do my own thing? I freaking hate you. Screw it, we're doing this manually. I'm just climbing up. I wonder if this is breakable. The obsidian here, I never think it would be breakable. Hey, what do you know? It is. Ha! I'm just playing. Not gonna do that. Screw that, we're digging up. Got sunflower seeds. Huh. First time experience. I mean, we're pretty much already set in the other world, but I had to delete everything. That's the only reason I'm a Steve. Make it wider so we have a better chance of not falling when, if and when we fall. So let's show that. I seriously suck at aiming. See. They didn't make this that hard. It's like a lot better than the Xbox. The Xbox I put all over the place. Like shots. Let's go. We're gonna teleport over there. See if we can teleport over there. Yep. Apparently not. Apparently we're stuck in this thing. Yeah. This is how we do it. Oh, god dang. Blow the whole entire thing up. 3 iron bars for me. Now the Ender Dragon's pretty much screwed. Where are you? Come here, baby. Nope. I got a ring of fire. Yeah, if I could build myself this whole thing though. Again, I wonder if I could just beat him just by looking at him. Okay, let's see. Battle strategies. Never really played this, so don't blame me if my battle strategy sucks. Ah. The thing does so much to stop it. Stop it. Shoot you with this arrow. You suck too much. See, I thought arrow shooting would be a lot easier. Heck, come. I think I should have brought a torch. See. Huh. Okay, I'm gonna save one of these iron bars. Got a lot extra. No hating. No hating. Got a lot extra. Haha, I got it. Ah! Oh my god, it's like freaking Battle Dimensions. Trying to get a freaking sunflower seed. That freaking bar does a lot more than you want it to do. Screw it, how much for the falling floor? We can make it. Oh god, no he can't, no he can't, no he can't run. God, I'm running that far. God, no. God, this is scary. Not even staring at anyone. So there's not a lot. Oh my God. There's a lot more than you want there to be. Okay. Let's see. Oh my God. My Lord, Lord, Lord. You dickhole. Wow, that did nothing. That's all. This Ender Dragon isn't as hard as you think. It's a more of a pain in the ass. God, I freaking got you in the boutique. Look! Start hanging around the middle. Took down a good amount of hearts. Screw you, Ender Dragon. I got you in my sights. Look at this. He's just trying to get me. A great way to farm him. See what I hear? Huh, you know. Oh, the best way to farm him. No. Guys, look at this, all legit. Just wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Hey, hey, what the? Oh, God. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Oh, my God, we're so close. This is how we do it. La, 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 da, 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 da. Watch how the egg pops up. Look at this, guys. Look at this. So many levels. Best of right now. No one's gonna bring us down. Best. Oh. So we need to figure out how to get this egg. See, I thought I needed torches, but watch this. I have torches right here, so I'm going to break these. Right click that, dragon egg pops up right there. So, the way I've learned how to do it. Okay, take this out, take that, break that, and boom! Ender egg right there. Haha. Ha, I did it legit too. Because you know what? I had all that stuff. Oh. GG no reef. I see the player you mean. Just complete for 3535? Yes, take care. It has reached a higher level now. It can read our thoughts. That doesn't matter. They could part of the game. Oh, that's okay. It played well. It did not give up. It was reading our thoughts as though they were words on the screen. That is how it chooses to imagine many things. Whatever. Well, we have this. Looties. Looties. Oh. No, no. I don't want your livers. I don't want you. Gotta find my house again. Oh god, those vines are climbable. There it is. That's how you do it. I still don't remember where it is. Well, down here. Yes, and I remember how it said it's a higher level. I wonder what happens if I go right back into the end. Damn it. I would figure out what happens when you die, but I have too many levels to go by. Plus we have this. So yeah. This is more of just a guard. Continue. I see the player you mean. Once I find something to waste this on, I'm gonna do something. Until then, I'm just gonna go to the Nether. Oh, you gotta start all over, guys. So yeah. We may do a legit let's play on it. That's in years and years to come. No. I know there's a stronghold around here, so my god. What? What kind of monsters are nearby? Ooh. Close one. Yeah. Whoa, I don't know what to do after that now. No! Oh my god. I wonder if I stared at an Enderman yet. I teleported way too much to remember. Oh, I figured out a better way to get all the way down there. Yeah, it barely took any damage at all. Until I find something to waste all this on, I'm not gonna really do anything with it. Oh my god. These goddamn creepers are making me nervous. Where are these creepers coming from? Yeah. I'm gonna end the episode here, guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye.